Political temperature in Alur County is set to rise following the official filing of election petition number 1 of 2026 in the High Court in Patongo. The petitioner, Otto, is challenging the victory of Komakech in the January 15th parliamentary polls, a case that has already survived a dramatic and litigious journey from the lower courts. The petition arrives at the High Court after a turbulent start in the Chief Magistrate's Court. Mr. Otto successfully petitioned for a mandatory recount of votes under Section 73 of the Parliamentary Elections Act. The process, which began at the district headquarters, was highly contentious from the onset. Sources indicate that the returning officer initially resisted the recount, a situation that escalated to the point where arrest warrants were issued. It was only after the invention of the District Police Commissioner, that's DPC, that the security situation was stabilized, allowing court officials to proceed. However, the recount was abruptly halted when the Chief Magistrate made a startling discovery. 5 ballot boxes were found to be open. This finding, which the petitioner's legal team argues is a clear violation of electoral integrity, has now been deemed prima facie evidence of malpractice. The magistrate's ruling on the open boxes forms the crux of the case now before the High Court. The legal battle has been anything but straightforward. Mr. Otto's legal team reportedly had to fend off the staggering 7 separate legal challenges mounted by the camp of Komakech, which sought to block the recount at every turn. According to sources close to the petitioner, all 7 cases were successfully defeated, allowing the original application to proceed to its dramatic conclusion. The mathematics of the narrow margin, a reported difference of just 23 votes, makes the integrity of every single ballot paper paramount. With the case now officially filed, both camps are projecting confidence. Odonga, speaking briefly after filing the petition on behalf of the people of Alur, framed the battle in stark moral forms. In all our lives as young persons, never ever tolerate a cheat or a thief, he stated. This is how the world is programmed. On the other side, Komakech camp remains steadfast in their belief that the victory will be upheld, expressing confidence in the judicial process. Political observers in the region are closely watching the proceedings. The finding of open ballot boxes, coupled with the minuscule winning margin, presents a significant hurdle for the respondents. Legal experts suggest that if the High Court upholds the magistrate's finding of prima facie evidence of malpractice, it could very well lead to the nullification of the results. Such an outcome would trigger a highly anticipated by-election in Alur County, setting the stage for a fresh and intense electoral contest. For now, all our eyes are on the Patongo High Court as the respondents have 14 days to file their answer to the petition.